Let's be honest, modeling roofs and other software is a pain. You're stitching together planes, adjusting slopes, aligning edges, just to get something close to what you want. Higharc flips that on its head. Our powerful roof system generates a complete, documentation-ready roof the moment you draw your floor plan. It's automatic, but not rigid. You can align it to planned geometry or draw a custom perimeter and switch between gable, hip, shed, or custom shapes with just a click. When you're ready to dial in the details, select a single roof or edge and tune dozens of attributes: slopes, eaves, overhangs, brackets, fascia types, and more, all updating live in 3D as you work. What sets Higharc apart is the intelligence. If the floor plan changes or you need to update the style, all the other attributes are maintained, giving users a ton of flexibility and time savings. No rebuilding, no lost work. It's fast, flexible, and powerful. Easily the most advanced roof modeling system for single-family homes on the market. If you're still manually modeling roof geometry piece by piece, it's time to level up.